When the shoes bought to protect your feet suddenly become a nightmare to wear, you start to dread every step you take and clench your fist in pain for every extra second you have to stay in them. Before thinking of binning that pair of shoes, have you tried them out with a pair of quality insoles? Shoe insoles take away the pain by offering your feet the support it sorely needs. The best shoe insoles in 2023 won't only take away the pain but will also save you the extra cash you'll spend on a new pair of shoes. If your excuse for not getting shoe insoles is that you didn't know where to start, you have none now. Our experts at Miami Herald have done the hard work for you and selected the 5 best shoe insoles available just for you. Number 1. Padog Shoe Insole. By default, most people think shoe insoles are for men only. Therefore, shoe insoles like the Padog shoe insoles are a breath of fresh air as they cater to the needs of females. These insoles absorb sweat and keep the feet dry when wearing shoes without socks. Padog summer insoles provide breathability, absorb sweat, and fight odor. Perfect for loafers, boat shoes or slip-ons, they protect from discoloration and damage due to sweat. Padog products are handmade in Germany from natural materials, such as cotton, bamboo, leather, cork, silver ion, wool and shearling. During a rigorous quality hand-making process only water-based skin-friendly adhesives are used. Leathers are vegetable tanned and no solvents are applied. The perforated and grooved natural latex padding of the insoles promotes air circulation for a smooth outdoor summer experience. Like other Padog products, these insoles are made in Germany, and you can be assured of their durability. Number 2. Scholl Insole Shoe Insole. If you often suffer from back, foot, or generalized body pain, the Scholl Insole Shoe Bubble Orthotic Insole is a product you don't want to pass on. It features a soft medical-grade memory construction with medium, high arch support to align your feet properly. It soothes and relaxes your arches to take the pressure off your lower back and legs. You can use the pair to address a variety of foot conditions like heel pain, fat pad atrophy, plantar fasciitis, and metatarsalgia amongst others. Plus, the insoles are available in different sizes and 2 color options. A gentle foot massage combined with premium shock absorption, energy return and relief from aches and pains can relieve built-up tension and help sustain energy levels throughout the day. Get ready for happy feet. Many customers say it's like walking on clouds. Number 3. Dr. Scholl's Shoe Insole. Yes, all shoe insoles are designed to make you comfortable. However, Dr. Scholl's shoe insoles take foot comfort to another level. The pair comes with massaging gel technology and extra cushioning that provides unparalleled shock absorption to keep you comfortable all day. This insole supports the arch of the foot to ensure you can take each step with more confidence, even on the roughest surface. You can pair the insoles with sneakers, casual shoes, and work boots. The responsive wave cushioning in the ball of foot area has softer gel waves that give you both cushioning and energy rebound. These softer, bouncier gel waves provide you with all-day superior comfort that allows you to feel energized and move more than ever before. Number 4. Superfeet Shoe Insole. When the rigor of your tasking activities starts to take its toll on your feet, it's time to buy the Superfeet Shoe Insoles. These insoles each have a layer of high-density foam that cushion and support the feet. Heat may make the feet sweat, but the organic odor control of these insoles will eliminate all odor-causing bacteria. The insole's deep heel cups are purposely sculpted for pain relief and comfort. The 4 stabilizer caps scattered around the base also provide extra support. Acts as the base of the insole that supports the rear foot and provides structure and stability to the foam layer. High-density foam, closed-cell foam provides a firm foundation to support the foot for long-lasting comfort. Number 5. Walk Middle. Hero Shoe Insole. The Walk Hero Shoe Insole is a quality insole you don't want to miss out on. This insole's unrivaled versatility means you can pair them with any type of shoes without any issue. It provides moderate support and control for hiking and other activities as it is made of shock-absorbing EVA material that reduces foot fatigue. The insoles also feature deep heel cuppings that stabilize the feet to prevent problems from supination and overpronation. Provides moderate control and support in walking or casual hiking shoes, work shoes and boots. Comfort and cushioning for all types of leisure or everyday footwear. To maintain correct foot positioning. Protects your heel during the heavy impact of landing during walking or running and stabilizes the foot.